Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. And you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger. So once you've done that, you need to go back and you need to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, here you can see Ask Meta AI or search. So you can use from here, or you can use from here by clicking on this. So here you can see that here is a complete list what you can do with Meta AI. So let's suppose I want to generate image. So you simply need to click on continue. Okay, and here you need to add slash imagine a girl in car using smartphone. So click on enter and it will generate image for you. So here you can see a response, it will generate it. So this is the process and you can do whatever with Meta AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.